Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. Today we are going to discuss some important and common MCQs for Chemistry CUT. So let's begin. The first question is, what type of solid is silicon carbide? Option A, covalent or network solid. Option B, metallic solid. Option C, ionic solid. Or option D, molecular solid. The correct answer is option A, covalent or network solid. Moving on to the next question. Name one solid which has both Schottky and Frenkel defects. A, silver chloride. B, silver bromide. C, cesium chloride. Or D, zinc blende. The correct answer is option B, silver bromide. Moving on to the next question. What is the coordination number of an octahedral void? A, 4. B, 8. C, 6. Or D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, 6. The next question is, what type of interaction hold the molecules together in a polar molecular solid? A, van der Waals force. B, hydrogen bonding. C, Coulombic force. Or D, dipole-dipole interaction. The correct answer is option D, dipole-dipole interaction. Moving on to the next question. In a crystal of zinc sulfide, zinc occupies tetrahedral voids. What is the coordination number of zinc? A, 4. B, 6. C, 8. Or D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, 4. The next question is, name the type of point defect that occurs in a crystal of zinc sulfide. Option A, Schottky defect. Option B, vacancy defect. Option C, Frenkel defect. Or option D, metal deficiency defect. The correct answer is option C, Frenkel defect. Moving on to the next question. Which point defect in crystals of a solid does not change the density of the solid? A, Frenkel defect. B, vacancy defect. C, Schottky defect. Or D, metal deficiency defect. The correct answer is option A, Frenkel defect. Moving on to the next question. What is the cause of electrical conductivity in metals? Option A, due to flow of electrons. Option B, due to flow of ion in solution. Option C, due to presence of impurities and defects. Or option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, due to flow of electrons. Moving on to the next question. What is the percentage of empty space in a body-centered cubic arrangement? A, 54%. B, 68%. C, 32%. Or D, 74%. The correct answer is option C, 32%. Moving on to the next question. If the radius of an octahedral void is R and the radius of an atom is close packing is capital R, the relation between R and capital R is R is equal to 0.732 R, R is equal to 0.414 R, R is equal to 0.225 R, or option D, none of these? The correct answer is option B, R is equal to 0.414 R. Moving on to the next question. What type of substance would make better permanent magnets? A. Ferromagnetic, B. Ferrimagnetic, C. Antiferromagnetic, or D. Paramagnetic. The correct answer is option A, ferromagnetic. The next question is, what is two-dimensional coordination number of a molecule in square close packed structure? A. 4, B. 6, C. 12, or D. 8. The correct answer is option A, 4. Moving on to the next question. How does the electrical conductivity of semiconductors vary with temperature? Option A, decreases. Option B, increases. Option C, remain unchanged. Or option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, increases. Moving on to the next question. How does the electrical conductivity of metallic conductors vary with temperature? Option A, remains unchanged. Option B, increases. Option C, decreases. Or option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, decreases. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following does not represent a crystal system? Option A, triclinic. Option B, monoclinic. Option C, rhomboidal. Or option D, isotropical. The correct answer is option D, isotropical. The next question is, to get the type semiconductor, germanium should be doped with option A, gallium. Option B, arsenic. Option C, aluminium. Or option D, boron. The correct answer is option B, arsenic. The next question is, silver halides generally show option A, Schottky defect. Option B, Frankel defect. Option C, both Frankel and Schottky defect. Or option D, cation deck excess defect. The correct answer is option C, both Frankel and Schottky defect. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following will have metal deficiency defect? Option A, NaCl. Option B, FeO. Option C, potassium chloride. Or option D, zinc oxide. The correct answer is option B, iron oxide. Moving on to the next question. Pure silicon and germanium behave as option A, conductors. Option B, semiconductors. Option C, insulators. Or option D, piezoelectric crystals. The correct answer is option C, insulators. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following crystal does not exhibit Frankel defect? Option A, silver bromide. Option B, silver chloride. Option C, potassium bromide. Or option D, zinc sulfide. The correct answer is option C, potassium bromide. Moving on to the next question. An electron trapped in an ionic site in a crystal is called option A, F center. Option B, Frenkel defect. Option C, Schottky defect. Or option D, interstitial defect. The correct answer is option A, F center. Moving on to the next question. The edge length of FCC cell is 508 pm. If radius of cation is 110 pm, the radius of anion is option A, 110 pm, option B, 220 pm, option C, 285 pm, or option D, 144 pm. The correct answer is option D, 144 pm. Moving on to the next question. Brass is option A, solid solution, option B, liquid solution, option C, gas solution, or option D, all of these. The correct answer is option A, solid solution. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is an example of solid in gas solution? Option A, humidity in air. Option B, iodine vapor in air. Option C, alloys. Or option D, air. The correct answer is option B, iodine vapor in air. Moving on to the next question. What is the sum of mole fraction of all the components in a 3-component system? A, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 2. Option B, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. Option C, x1 plus x2 is equal to 1. Or option D, x1 plus x3 is equal to 1. The correct answer is option B, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. Moving on to the next question. At equilibrium, the rate of dissolution of a solid solute in a volatile liquid solvent is A, 0, B, less than the rate of crystallization, C, equal to the rate of crystallization, or D, greater than the rate of crystallization. The correct answer is option C, equal to the rate of crystallization. Moving on to the next question. What do you mean by saying that molality of a solution is 0.1? Option A, 0.1 mole of solute is dissolved in 1000 kg of solvent. Option B, 0.1 mole of solute is present in 100 ml of solution. Option C, 0.1 mole of solute is dissolved in 1000 gram of solvent. Or option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, 0.1 mole of solute dissolved in 1000 gram of solvent. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is not a colligative property? Option A, depression in freezing point. Option B, osmotic pressure. Option C, elevation in boiling point. Or option D, increase in freezing point. The correct answer is option D, increase in freezing point. Moving on to the next question. Two liquids A and B on mixing produce a warm solution. Which type of deviation from Royle's law does it show? Option A, negative deviation. Option B, positive deviation. Option C, ideal solution. Or option D, all of these. The correct answer is option A, negative deviation. Moving on to the next question. Maximum amount of a solute that can be dissolved in a specified amount of given liquid solvent does not depend upon option A, pressure, option B, temperature, Option C, nature of solute. Or option D, nature of solvent. The correct answer is option A, pressure. Moving on to the next question. What happens when blood cells are placed in pure water? Option A, blood cells shrink. Option B, blood cells swell and may even burst. Option C, both of these. Or option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, blood cells swell and may even burst. Moving on to the next question. Which one has the lowest freezing point? Option A, 2m glucose solution. Option B, 1.5 m glucose solution. Option C, 1 m glucose solution. Or option D, all of these. The correct answer is option A, 2 m glucose solution. Moving to the next question. Isotonic solutions are solutions having the same. Option A, vapor pressure. Option B, surface tension. Option C, osmotic pressure. Or option D, viscosity. The correct answer is option C, osmotic pressure. Moving to the next question. How is the colligative property of solution changed when a solute in solution undergoes association? Option A, increases. Option B, remains the same. Option C, becomes twice. Or option D, decreases. The correct answer is option D, decreases. Moving on to the next question. The value of Henry's constant is option A, greater for gases with higher solubility. Option B, greater for gases with lower solubility. Option C, constant for all gases. Or option D, not related to the solubility of gases. The correct answer is option B, greater for gases with lower solubility. Moving to the next question. Van 't Hoff factor for 0.1 m ideal solution is option A, 0.1. Option B, 1. Option C, minus 0.01. Or option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, 1. Moving on to the next question. A standard hydrogen electrode has a zero potential because option A, hydrogen can be most easily oxidized. Option B, hydrogen has only one electron. Option B, the electrode potential is assumed to be zero. Or option D, hydrogen is the lightest element. The correct answer is option C, the electrode potential is assumed to be zero. Moving on to the next question. Fluorine is the best oxidizing agent because it has option A, hydrogen electron affinity. Option B, highest reduction potential. Option C, highest oxidation potential. Or option D, lowest electron affinity. The correct answer is option B, highest reduction potential. Moving on to the next question. The molar conductivity is maximum for the solution of concentration. Option A, 0.004 m. Option B, 0.002 m. Option C, 0.005 m. Or option D, 0.001 m. The correct answer is option D, 0.001 m. Moving on to the next question. When a lead storage battery is discharged, option A, lead sulfate is consumed. Option B, oxygen gas is evolved. Option C, lead sulfate is formed. Or option D, lead sulfide is formed. The correct answer is option C, lead sulfate is formed. Moving on to the next question. The amount of chlorine evolved by passing 2 ampere of current in an aqueous solution of sodium chloride for 30 minutes is option A, 2.64 gram, option B, 1.32 gram, option C, 3.62 grams, or option D, 4.22 grams. The correct answer is option B, 1.32 gram. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is not a non-electrolyte? Option A, acetic acid. Option B, glucose. Option C, ethanol. Or option D, urea. The correct answer is option A, acetic acid. Moving on to the next question. The time required to liberate 1 gram equivalent of an element by passing 1 ampere current through its solution is option A, 6.7 hours, option B, 13.4 hours, option C, 19.9 hours, or option D, 26.8 hours. The correct answer is option D, 26.8 hours. Moving on to the next question. The difference between the electrode potentials of 2 electrodes when no current is drawn through the cell is called option A, cell potential, option B, cell EMF, option C, potential difference, or option D, cell voltage. The correct answer is option B, cell EMF. Moving on to the next question. How does concentration of reaction change with time for a chemical reaction? Option A, increases. Option B, remains unchanged. Option C, decreases. Or option D, becomes twice. The correct answer is option C, decreases. Moving on to the next question. Half-life period of a first order reaction is 10 minutes. What percentage of the reaction will be completed in 100 minutes? Option A, 25%. Option B, 50%. Option C, 99.9%. Or option D, 75%. The correct answer is option C, 99.9%. Moving on to the next question. Threshold energy is equal to option A, activation energy, option B, activation energy minus energy of molecules, option B, activation of energy plus energy of molecules, or option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, activation of energy plus energy of molecules. Moving on to the next question. The unit of rate and rate constant are same for a option A, zero order reaction, option B, first order reaction, option C, second order reaction, or option D, third order reaction. The correct answer is option A, zero order reaction. Moving on to the next question. The number of molecules of the reactants taking place in a single step of the reaction is indicative of option A, order of reaction, option B, molecularity of reaction, option C, fast step of the mechanism of reaction, or option D, half-life of the reaction. The correct answer is option B, molecularity of reaction. Moving on to the next question. The rate constant of reaction depends upon option A, temperature of the reaction, option B, extent of the reaction, Option C, initial concentration of the reactants. Or option D, the time of completion of reaction. The correct answer is option A, temperature of the reaction. Moving on to the next question. In the presence of a catalyst, the heat evolved or absorbed during the reaction. Option A, increases. Option B, decreases. Option C, remains unchanged. Or option D, may increase or decrease. The correct answer is option C, remains unchanged. Moving on to the next question. The chemical reaction in which reactant require high amount of activation energy are generally option A, slow. Option B, fast. Option C, instantaneous. Or option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, slow. Moving on to the next question. Collision theory is applicable to option A, first order reactions. Option B, zero order reactions. Option C, bimolecular reactions. Or option D, intramolecular reactions. The correct answer is option C, bimolecular reactions. Moving on to the next question. What type of interface cannot be obtained? Option A, gas-gas. Option B, solid-liquid. Option C, liquid-gas. Or option D, liquid-liquid. The correct answer is option A, gas-gas. Moving on to the next question. Name the process by which freshly prepared precipitate gets converted to colloidal solution. Option A, coagulation. Option B, electrolysis. Option C, diffusion. Or option D, pepsitation. The correct answer is option D, peptitation. Moving on to the next question. The incorrect statement about physical absorption is option A, it lacks specificity. Option B, it is generally reversible. Option C, porous surfaces are good absorbent. Or option D, heat of absorption is quite high. The correct answer is option D, heat of absorption is quite high. Moving on to the next question. Fog is an example of colloidal system of option A, liquid and gas. Option B, gas and liquid. Option C, solid and gas. Or option D, gas and solid. The correct answer is option A, liquid and gas. Moving on to the next question. Shape selective catalysis is a reaction catalyzed by option A, zeolites. Option B, enzymes. Option C, platinum. Or option D, Ziegler-Natta catalyst. The correct answer is option A, zeolites. Moving on to the next question. The activity of an enzyme becomes ineffective. Option A, at low temperature. Option B, at atmospheric pressure. Option C, at high temperature. Or option D, in aqueous medium. The correct answer is option C, at high temperature. Moving on to the next question. A colloidal system in which liquid is dispersed phase and solid is dispersion medium is classified as option A, gel. Option B, sol. Option C, emulsion. Or option D, aerosol. The correct answer is option A, gel. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following example is correctly matched? Option A, butter gel. Option B, smoke and emulsion. Option C, paint and foam. Or option D, milk or aerosol. The correct answer is option A, butter and gel. Moving on to the next question. The formation of micelles take place only above. Option A, critical temperature. Option B, Kraft temperature. Option C, inversion temperature. Or option D, absolute temperature. The correct answer is option B, Kraft temperature. Moving on to the next question. Soap mixed with water below critical micelle concentration behave as. Option A, associated colloid. Option B, macromolecular colloid. Option C, normal electrolytic solution. Or option D, multimolecular colloid. The correct answer is option C, normal electrolytic solution. Moving on to the next question. Tyndall effect is not absorbed in. Option A, smoke. Option B, emulsions. Option C, sugar solution. Or option D, gold sol. The correct answer is option C, sugar solution. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is not a method of removing impurities from colloidal sol? Option A, electroradiolysis. Option B, ultrafiltration. Option C, ultracentrifugation. Or option D, distillation. The correct answer is option D, distillation. Moving to the next question. Movement of the dispersion medium under the influence of electric field is known as. Option A, electrodialysis. Option B, electrophoresis. Option C, electroosmosis. Or option D, cataphoresis. The correct answer is option C, electroosmosis. Moving to the next question. At CMC, the surface molecules. Option A, dissociate. Option B, associate. Option C, becomes bigger in size due to adsorption. Or option D, becomes smaller in size due to decomposition. The correct answer is option B, associate. Moving to the next question. The separation of an emulsion into its constituent liquid is known as. Option A, emulsification. Option B, protection of colloid. Option C, coagulation. Or option D, demulsification. The correct answer is option D, demulsification. Moving to the next question. Which of the following is not an example of emulsifying agent? Option A, proteins. Option B, gums. Option C, soaps. Or option D, electrolytes. The correct answer is option D, electrolytes. Moving to the next question. The term sorption stands for. Option A, adsorption. Option B, absorption. Option C, both adsorption and absorption. Or option D, desorption. The correct answer is option C, both adsorption and absorption. Moving to the next question. The emulsifying agent present in milk that makes it stable is option A, lactose. Option B, maltose. Option B, casein. Or option D, lactic bacilli. The correct answer is option C, casein. Moving to the next question. Paints and hair creams are respectively option A, sol and emulsion. Option B, aerosol and foam. Option C, emulsion and sol. Or option D, foam and gel. The correct answer is option A, sol and emulsion. Moving to the next question. Which one of the following is not a sulfide ore? Option A, galena. Option B, iron pyrites. Option C, magnetite. Or option D, copper glans. The correct answer is option C, magnetite. Moving to the next question. Which of the following ores cannot be concentrated by magnetic separation? Option A, hematite. Option B, malachite. Option C, magnetite. Or option D, siderite. The correct answer is option B, malachite. Moving to the next question. Sulfide ore of zinc and copper is concentrated by option A, flotation process. Option B, electromagnetic process. Option C, gravity separation. Or option D, distillation. The correct answer is option A, flotation process. Moving to the next question. Which of the following metal is not extracted by leaching? Option A, aluminium. Option B, mercury. Option C, silver. Or option D, gold. The correct answer is option B, mercury. Moving to the next question. Heating pyrites to remove sulfur is called option A, smelting. Option B, calcination. Option C, liquefaction. Or option D, roasting. The correct answer is option D, roasting. Moving to the next question. Which of the following metal is extracted using a silica lined converter? Option A, magnesium. Option B, aluminium. Option C, copper. Or option D, zinc. The correct answer is option C, copper. Moving to the next question. In metallurgical process, aluminium acts as option A, an oxidizing agent. Option B, a reducing agent. Option C, acidic flux. Or option D, basic flux. The correct answer is option B, a reducing agent. Moving to the next question. Which of the following metals cannot be obtained by reduction of its metal oxide by aluminium? Option A, chromium. Option B, manganese. Option C, iron. Or option D, magnesium. The correct answer is option D, magnesium. Moving to the next question. Extraction of chlorine from brine is based on option A, reduction. Option B, displacement. Option C, oxidation. Or option D, evaporation. The correct answer is option C, oxidation. Moving to the next question. In the electro-refining of copper, some gold is deposited as option A, cathode mud. Option B, electrolyte. Option C, anode mud. Or option D, cathode. The correct answer is option C, anode mud. Moving on to the next question. In blast furnace, iron oxide is reduced by option A, silica. Option B, carbon monoxide. Option C, carbon. Or option D, limestone. The correct answer is option B, carbon monoxide. Moving on to the next question. Blister copper is option A, impure copper. Option B, obtained by self-reduction process during besmerization. Option C, both are correct. Or option D, none are correct. The correct answer is option C, both are correct. Moving to the next question. Which of the following metal is obtained by electrolytic reduction process? Option A, iron. Option B, copper. Option C, silver. Or option D, aluminium. The correct answer is option D, aluminium. Moving to the next question. Which of the following is the purest commercial form of iron? Option A, cast iron. Option B, steel. Option C, wrought iron. Or option D, pig iron. The correct answer is option C, wrought iron. Moving to the next question. The temperature of the slag zone in the metallurgy of iron using blast furnace is option A, 1500 to 1600 degrees Celsius. Option B, 400 degree to 700 degrees Celsius. Option C, 800 to 1000 degrees Celsius. Or option D, 1200 to 1500 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is option C, 800 to 1000 degrees Celsius. For more such videos, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Knowledge Library. Thank you.